Hey everyone, it's Christina Daves with this week's Get Famous Friday PR tip. Today I want to talk about how media begets media. Once you get some media, the media is going to check you out. And once they check you out and they see that you've been quoted in a magazine or you've been on a television station, they're more likely to use you because it's like you've been vetted by somebody else. I actually just got an email from a former client who is like the go-to person now for the Washington Post real estate section. And it's because she has been a source for them. She was there once, and then when you're available and you're helping and that's just how you keep it going. So remember, media begets media. Get that first one, make sure it's out there, make sure the media can find it when they're checking you out. And that is this week's PR tip. If you'd like this, if you'd like more, please join our no-cost PR challenge at www.yourprchallenge.com. It's 10 days, 10 minutes a day, super easy. You will see results if you implement. So I can't wait to see you there in the group, in the challenge, and I can't wait to see you in the media. Take care.